we got this beautiful cup from Mom, the Mom crew.
Beautiful.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you love it?
Yeah,
What do you like about this cup?
Happy face.
Happy face. Happy face.
I can drink a hot water drink and water.
A chocolate drink and water, yes. So where are you going to be taking it to? Everywhere. You take it all around?
Yeah.
Okay. Drink from it. Let's see. Drink.
It's not to eat that. Yeah, drink me. That's your drink me.
Lots Italia.
You drink me.
Oh, so we really love this. The quality is really awesome. It's amazing. It is mine. It's for Talia. Thank you, the Mom crew.
Thank you to Mom crew. I like it to Mom crew.
Oh.
I love you, Mom crew.
So cute.